Hi, I'm Lee, welcome. Today I want to share with you a dish that Michael introduced me to when I met him about 11 years ago. It's called Strammer. It's a German thing. It's really delicious, and if you can't be bothered cooking but you're up to frying a few eggs, or this is the dish to make, I swear, since we've known each other, we've probably eaten this over 300 times. It's our go-to meal, so I'll show you how it goes. So before I fry the eggs, I just take a little red onion. Then I cut some cheese. You can just use sliced cheese, we usually do, but the store was out of it. Just cheddar cheese. Now Mike just loves salami in the Strammer. As well as having crap knife skills, I also have blunt knives. I've got this phobia about really sharp knives. I'm trying to slice this quite thin because I don't think Mike realised, but he bought the really hot spicy salami. And that should be about enough salami. Cheese, salami, onion. One thing that's imperative with a Strammer is good bread. If you've ever been to Germany, they have amazing bread. I made this today. It's heavy, it's seedy, it's filling, and it's super fresh, so I can't cut it too thin. So that's the prep. Now all I have to do is fry a few eggs, and then I'll show you the secret to put all this together. So yum. Now everyone has their own way of frying eggs, but this is mine. I warm a pan up and I put some butter in, or oil, depending what I have. And then I wait for the butter to foam, which it has, and then I add the eggs. So what I basically do is fry the bottom. So when the bottom is fried for a couple of minutes, and the whites are starting to set, I just put the lid on, turn the heat down a little bit, and then I just gently steam the top, and it doesn't take long. It's nearly ready, and that's just been a few seconds. I'll wait for another few seconds. Perfect. I'll turn the heat off, and that's how I fry eggs. Time to put the Strammer together. So some bread on the plate, some butter, next some mayonnaise. You don't have to have as much mayonnaise as this, but we love it. A bit of onion. Mike's mum actually is always horrified the amount of mayonnaise he has on his food. Next, the salami. If you like it vegetarian, I like avocado instead of the meat. A lot of times, it's delicious. But this is like the ultimate, to be honest. And next, some cheese. So now we put on the eggs. But we're not finished. Now, if you're going to make a Strammer like this and want to get the whole taste, you have to make some of this curry ketchup. It's super easy to make. I made a video about it, and the first 2 minutes of the video explains how to make this sauce. It's really easy. So curry ketchup, a little bit more mayo, because it just goes so well with curry ketchup. And the last thing, which is very traditional in Germany, is to put a nice big fat gherkin on the side. And that is it. Amazing, beautiful Strammer. It tastes so good. Right, I'm going to try it though, just to confirm. So delicious. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Yum.